Let's check. We'll go for the next multiplication techniques here. That is inline multiplication. Let us understand what is this inline multiplication. So inline multiplication means here we'll take how to take a 2 by 2 multiplication as well as how to take a 3 by 3 multiplication. First we'll go for how to take a 2 by 2 multiplication. That means how to multiply a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Basically, we know this process from the school studies. For example, if you want to multiply, let it be 73 into let 46. If you want to multiply this case, what you do? First, you will multiply with the 6. After that, we will multiply with the 4, and we'll add both the cases. I will get the solution. This is a basic process. But here we'll go. We don't go for that much process here. Here I'll take a very simple process. We'll go for only 3 steps here in order to take a 2 by 2 multiplication. What are the 3 steps here? Look at 3 into 6, that is step 1, what you take it, and 7 into 6 plus 3 into 4, this one into this one cross, that is step 2 we take it, and 7 into 4, that is step 3 we take it. Simply these are the 3 steps what you take it when you are taking a 2 by 2 multiplication. First row is the step 1, first row and second row cross is the step 2, and second row entire 7 into 4, that is the third step. In each and every step will forward the carrier for the next step. That means what? For example, if you go for step 1 here, what is the step 1? So we have to multiply 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is what? 18. I have to write 1 here, 8 here. Step 2, 7 into 6 and 4 into 2. Actually 7 into 6 is 42 and 4 into 3 is 12. 42 plus 12, 54. 54 plus 1 is 55. 5 here, 5 here. Last step, 7 into 4, 28. 28 plus 5, 33, which you write as a 3358. I'll repeat once. Let's check. 3 into 6 is the step 1. So 1 here, 8 here we are writing. Step 2. 7 into 6 is 42. 4 into 3 is 12. So 42 plus 12, 54. But already carrier 1 is there. 54 plus 1, 55. 5 here, 5 here. Last step, 7 into 4, 28. Plus 5 is 33. Clear? This is how you take a 2 by 2 multiplication. Let's understand one more example. How you take a 2 by 2 multiplication. Yes. Let's take an example here. For example, if you want to multiply, let it be 93 into 36. If you want to multiply this case, how you take 93 into 36? So step 1 is 3 into 6. I said 3 into 6 is 18. Step 2 I said cross. 9 into 6 is 54 and 3 into 3 is 9. 54 plus 9 is 63. 63 plus 1 is 64. And 9 into 3 is 27. 27 plus 6 is 33. So this is how you take simply a 2 by 2 multiplication. So whenever you are taking 2 by 2 multiplication, always you have to remember only one point here. Uh, First row and cross is the second row, and this is the second step, this is the third step. If you remember this pattern, so taking a 2 by 2 multiplication is always very easy. Let's take one more. 83 into let be 54 if you want to take it. So what is the step 1 first? 3 into 4, na? 3 4s are 12. Step 2, this cross into this cross, na? So 8 into 4, 32. 5 into 3, 15. So 32 plus 15. Actually 32 plus 15, 47. Plus 1 carrier, 48. And last step, 8 into 5 is 40. 40 plus 4, which I write as a 44. So which you take it as 4482. Clear? How to take a 2 by 2 multiplication, is it clear here? So simple. Only thing when you are writing, so you have to understand what is the step 1 and what is the step 2, what is the step 3. So meanwhile you are taking step 1, 2 into 6, you have to understand what is happening in the step 2 and what is the step 3. So if you keep on practicing like that, so a 2 by 2 multiplication within a fraction of seconds you take it. If you take it 2 into 6, 12, 1 here, 2 here. 8 into 6, 48, 5 into 2, 10, 48 plus 10, 58, 58 plus 1, 59. And last one, 8 into 5, 40, 40 plus 5, 45. So you write 4592. Clear? Let me, if you go for one more, 73 into, let me 24 if you take like that. So 73 into 24 if you take this one. For example, if you want to take this one. So I said if you practice a bit fast, it will be very, very easy. For example, if you take a bit fast here, 3 into 4, 12. So 28 plus 6, 34. 34 plus 1, 35. And 14 plus 3, 17, which you write as a 1752. So you have to understand 3 into 4. So it will become 12. 1 here, 2 here. 7 4s are 28, 3 2s are 6. 28 plus 6, 34. Already carrier 1. 34 plus 1, 35. 3 here, 5 here. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17, which you get 1752. As I said, simply here only one thing, if you keep on practicing that 2 by 2 multiplication is very very easy. Clear? Now let us understand how to take a 3 by 3 multiplication here. So 3 by 3 multiplication means, let us take any example. If you want to take it, let it be 723 into, let be 546. If you want to multiply this case, let us understand. So when you are taking 3 by 3 multiplication, we have 5 steps here. Basically in the 2 by 2 multiplication, we have only 3 steps. But here there will be 5 steps. Let's understand the steps here. 3 into 6, that will be the step 1. 3 into 6, that will be the step 1, and this cross 2 into 6 and 4 into 3, that will be the step 2, and step 3 is extreme corners, 7 into 6, 5 into 3 and 2 into 4, 7 into 6, 5 into 3, 2 into 4, that is third step. Fourth step again the last two, 7 into 4, 2 into 5, and fifth step last two, 1 into 5. So simply we have to remember this pattern. 1 2 3 4 5, there will be 5 steps. 3 into 6, first row is the step 1, combining 2 rows is the step 2, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, and step 3 is extreme corners, 7 into 6, 3 into 5, 2 into 4. Step 4 is the last two, 7 into 4, 2 into 5. Step 5 is the last one, 7 into 5. That means in the step 1 will take 1 row, step 2 will take 2 rows, step 3 will take all the 3. Once the step 3 is over, step 4 is the last two, step 5 is the last one row, single row. Clear? This is how you take a 3 by 3 multiplication, the steps. And here also in each and every step we have to forward the carrier for the next step. So if you take it here, first step, 3 into 6, 18. So 1 here, 8 here. Step 2, 3 into 4, 12, 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 12, 24, but already carrier 1 is there, 24 plus 1, 25. Third step, 7 into 6, 42. I'll write here otherwise. 7 into 6, 42. And 5 into 3, 15. And 2 into 4, 8. So 42 plus 8, 50. 50 plus 15, 65 overall together. So 65 already carrier is there. 65 plus 2, 67. And fourth step, this cross I said. 5 2s are 10, 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 10, 38 plus 6. 38 plus 6, 44. 4 here, 4 here. Last step, 7 into 5, 35. But already carrier is there for 35 plus 4, 39. Look at, I'll brief it once. 3 into 6, 18. 1 here, 8 here. Step 2, 2 into 6, 4 into 3. So 2 6s are 12, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 12, 24. But already carrier is 1. 24 plus 1, 25. 2 here, 5 here. Step 3, 7 into 6, 5 into 3, 2 into 4. So if you add it, 42 plus 15 plus 8, you'll get 65. But already carrier is 2 na, 65 plus 2, 67. 6 here, 7 here. Fourth step, 7 into 4, 28, 2 5s are 10. 28 plus 10, 38. But already carrier 6 is there. 38 plus 6, 44. 4 here, 4 here. Last step, 7 into 5, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. So simply this is how you take a 3 by 3 multiplication. As I said, you have to remember only pattern. If you go for the pattern here, first row, next 2 rows, next all the 3 rows, again the last 2 rows, again the last 1 row. So this is simply how you take a 3 by 3 multiplication. If you remember that, easily we can take any calculation. For example, 824 into 756. If you want to solve this one, 824 into 756. Let's check stepwise. 4 into 6 is a step 1 now. 4 into 6 is 24. 2 here, 4 here. Step 2. 2 into 6, 5 into 4 na. 2 6s are 12. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 12, 32. But already carrier 2 is there. 32 plus 2, which will be 34. And extreme corners. 8 into 6 is 48. 7 into 4 is 28. 2 into 5 is 10. 8 into 6 is 48. And 7 into 4 is 28. And 2 into 5 is 10. So 48 plus 28, how much it is? 76 plus 10, 86. But already carrier is 3 there. 86 plus 3, 89. And fourth step, 8 into 5, 40. 7 into 2, 14. 40 plus 14, 54. 54 plus 8, 62. And last step, 8 into 7, 56. 56 plus 6, 62. Clear? So simply this is how you take a 3 by 3 multiplication. So only you have to remember 5 steps. So when you are writing digit wise, take the steps here, then it will be easy to remember. Yes. For example, if you write 723 into, let be, as I said, 817, if you want to take this case. So when you're writing stepwise, remember 3 into 7, 21, 2 here, 1 here. If you're writing 1 means 1 step is over here. Step 2, 2 sevens are 14, 3 ones are 3. So 14 plus 3 is 17, but already carry this 2 is there. 17 plus 2, 19. So that means 2 steps are over. So if you count this, you will understand how many steps are done. And last row, third row, 7 into 7, 49, and 8 into 3. This case 7 into 7 is 49, 8 into 3 and 2 into 1 you have taken this case is 7 into 7 49 and 8 into 3 24, 2 into 1 is 2. So 49 plus 24, actually it is 73, plus 2 75, plus 1 carrier 76. Fourth step, 7 ones are 7, 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 7, 23, but already carrier is 7 is there. 23 plus 7, 30. Finally 7 into 8, 56. 56 plus 3, 59. So 590691. So simply this is how you take a 3 by 3 multiplication. Yeah, clear. So basically we have done 2 by 2. In the 2 by 2 we got 3 steps, and we have done 3 by 3. In the 3 by 3 we got 5 steps. So when you are taking 2 by 2, I said 2 by 2 multiplication, remember this process, first row, second row, this way I said, and totally we'll get 3 steps. So when you are taking 3 by 3 multiplication from this end, if you do it from this right end to this end, first row, next 2 rows, next 3 rows, clear, and next 2 rows and next 1 row. This is how you take it 3 by 3. Here I'll get how many steps? 5 steps. So simply this is how you take a 2 by 2 multiplication, as well as how to take a 3 by 3 multiplication. So that's with the 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 multiplication here. So next we'll go for how to take a 3 by 2 multiplication. Next we'll go for how to take a 3 by 2. Let's check. We'll go for the next multiplication technique here. So in the case of inline multiplication, already you have done a 2 by 2 multiplication, and one more what you have done is nothing but a 3 by 3 multiplication. Actually in the 2 by 2 multiplication we got 3 steps. In 3 by 3 multiplication we'll get 5 steps. And let's come into the point of here, a 3 by 2 multiplication, how we take it here. So in the case of 3 by 2 multiplication we'll get 4 steps here. Let's understand what is that. 3 by 2 means, for example, if you take 743, then I have to multiply, let be, into 57 if you want to multiply this case. Basically how we do in the sense here, so however you take 3 by 3 multiplication, the same manner we do it here. In 3 by 3 multiplication, what you are doing, 743 into 57 if you want to do it. For example, 3 by 3 multiplication, if I have third digit here, that I'll go it very easily, but I don't have a third digit here now, so in that place I'll take 0 now. Now 743 into 057, so 57, or you take it 057, no issues, it will be, everything is same. Now coming to the point of steps, we'll take 3 into 7 as a step 1, 4 into 7, 5 into 3 as a step 2, and 7 into 7, 3 into 0, 4 into 5 as a step 3, and 7 into 5, 4 into 0 as the step 4, and 7 into 0, that will be step 5, but 7 into 0, it will become 0 na. That's why same 3 by 3 multiplication will follow, but we'll do up to only 4 step. We'll do up to only 4 step. Why? Because the fifth step, that is 7 to 0, it will become 0. Now I'll do it here. 743 into, if you want to take 57, I said write 057. Let's go for calculation. So step 1, as you done in 3 by 3, 3 into 7, 21, 2 here, 1 here. Step 2, 4 into 7, 28, 3 into 5, 15. 28 plus 15, 43. 43 plus 2, 45. 4 here, 5 here. Third step, 7 into 7, 49. And this will become 0. 3 into 0, 0. 4 5s are 20. 49 plus 20, 69. But already carry 4 is there. 69 plus 4, 73. Now fourth step, 7 into 5, 35. And this will become 0. 35 plus 7, 42. That's it. We have to close with the 42 itself. So why? Because fifth step, it will become 0. Just I'll repeat. 3 into 7, 21. 2 we are writing here, 1. Step 2. 4 into 7, 28. 3 into 5, 15. 28 plus 15, 43. Already carrier 2 is there. 43 plus 2, 45. 4 here, 5 here. And this one, 7 into 7, 49. This is 0. 49 plus 20, 69 plus 4. 69 plus 4, 73. 7 here, 3 here. Last step, 7 into 5, 35. This is 0. 35 plus 7, 42. So simply this is how you take a 3 by 2 multiplication. Let us understand two more examples here. For example, 543 into, let it be 27 if you want to take this case. As said, simply take 0 into, let's multiply 3 into 7, 21. So 4 into 7, 28. 3 into 2, 6. 28 plus 6, 34. 34 plus 2, 36. 3 here, 6 here. Third step, 5 into 7, 35. This will become 0. 4 2s are 8. 35 plus 8, 43. Plus 3 is there, which I can write 46. And fourth step, 5 into 2, 10. This is 0. 10 plus 4, 14. Clear. That is 543 into 27. We get 14661. So as I said, always write the steps that easily we can understand the steps when you're writing. So here I can take 0. Now let's follow the steps. 3 into 6, 18. 1 here, 8 here. That means step 1 is over. Step 2, 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 3, 9. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So step 2 is over. And step 3, 7 into 6, 42. This will become 0. 2 3s are 6. 42 plus 6, 48. Plus 2 is there. 48 plus 2, 50. Third step is over. Now the fourth step. 7 into 3, 21. This will become 0. 21 plus 5, which is 26, which you get 26028. So simply this is how you take a 3 by 2 multiplication. Clear? So let's take next one. Basically, in the case of inline multiplication, we have done 2 by 2, and we have done 3 by 3, and we have done 3 by 2. Now let us understand 4 by 4 also, how to take it in the case of this inline multiplication. Let's check how you take it 4 by 4. Let's take any number. If you go for here, if you want to multiply, let 1 2 3 4 into, I have to multiply, let's same thing with the 4 3 2 1. This is the case if you want to multiply. Let's check here. Totally we'll get 5 in the 3 by 3 we got 5 steps now. Here we'll get 7 steps here. What are the 7 steps? 4 into 1, basically that is a step 1, first row. 3 into 1, 4 into 2. Next 2 rows is the step 2, and the next 3 rows is the step 3. 3 rows means how we take it? 2 into 1, 4 into 3, 3 into 2. 2 into 1, 4 into 3, 3 into 2. Now fourth step, extreme corners here like this. 1 into 1 this end, 4 into 4 this end, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So 1 to 1, 4 to 4, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. So totally in the fourth step we'll get 4. And fifth step is last 3. Again 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 2 into 3. And sixth step is last 2. 1 into 3, 2 into 4. And last step is 1 into 4. Look at how we take it simply. First row is the step 1. Next 2 rows is the step 2. Next 3 rows is the step 3. And next 4 rows. That means all the 4 is step 4. Once the 4 rows is over, again last 3, last 2, last 1. Here also in each and every case the carrier we have to forward for the next case. Clear? So let us take the multiplication part. First step 4 into 1. It will be 4. Second step 3 into 1, 3. 4 2s are 8. So 3 1s are 3. 4 2s are 8. So it's nothing but 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 here, 1 here, I can write it. Next step 3. This cross. 2 into 1, 2. 4 into 3, 12. I'll write here. So 2 into 1, 2. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. This is how we get it. Clear? 2 1s are 2. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 2 plus 12, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. But already carried 1 is there. 20 plus 1, 21. Now fourth step, this corners 1 into 1, 1, and this corner 4 into 4, 4, and 2 into 2, this corner, and 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 is nothing but 4, and 4 into 4 is nothing but 16, and 3 into 3 is nothing but 9. Clear? These are cases 1, 4, 16, 19. Sorry, 9. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 9, 29 plus 1, 30. Already carrier 2 is there. 30 plus 2, which I can write as a 32. And again last step, 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 2 into 3. 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into 4 is 12, 2 3s are 6. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Last 2 rows, 1 into 3, 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3. 8 plus 3, 11. Already carrier 2. 11 plus 2, 13. And final step, 1 into 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Which is 5, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4. I'll repeat. 4 into 1, 4. That is a step 1. 3 into 1, 4 into 2. 8 plus 3, 11. That is a step 2. So 1 here, 1 here. Step 2. Step 3. This corners. 2 1s are 2. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. This one. So which you got 20. But already carrier 1 is there, not 21. So 2 here, 1 here. Fourth step. 1 into 1, 4 into 4, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. That means 1 1s, 4 4s, 2 2s, 3 3s. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. If I add all together, this case, if you add all together, this is nothing but we'll get 30. So this total is 30, but already carrier 2 is there, 32. So 3 here, 2 here we taking. And fifth step again last 3. 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6, this is 2, this is 12. Again same like 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. But already carrier 3 na 23. So 2 here, 3 here. Last 2. 1 into 3, 3, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. But already carrier 2 is there, 11 plus 2 13, 1 here 3 here. Last step 1 into 4, 4 plus 1 5. So like this, so we can take 4 by 4 multiplication, we can take 5 by 5 multiplication, we can take 6 by 6, anything we can take it. The simple point, I'll give it like a formula. Look at here. So how you take inline multiplication. So if you are taking a 2 by 2 multiplication, for example, so first we'll take one row, after that we'll take two rows, again last one row. If you're taking 3 by 3, first row, next two rows, all the three is over, again last two, last one. And if you're taking 4 by 4, first row, next two rows, next three rows, 4. Once the 4 is over, last three, last two, last one. This is up to now what you have done. Similarly, you can go for 5 by 5, 6 by 6, even you can take n by n also. When you're taking 1, 2, 3, and finally n minus 1 n. Once the n is over, again n minus 1, n minus 2, finally it will go to 3, 2, 1. So simply this is how you take an inline multiplication. Clear? So in the case of inline multiplication, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4. If a particular step is over, again it will go to the back side like 4, 3, 2, 1. So simply this type of multiplication we call it as an inline multiplication. Here in the case of inline multiplication, mainly 2 by 2 is very important and 3 by 3 also very important. With respect to that, I explained one more, that is how you take it 3 by 2 case. And 4 by 4 in very rare cases we get it here, but if you learn that one also fine. Clear? But mainly 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 are very very important. Clear? So basically that is with inline multiplications. Clear?